competition, he has had
silver medal on the floor, silver medal on the rings. Ang galing niya talaga, ang lakas, kitang-kita sa katawan na nag-train talaga na maayos. You can just see sa katawan ni Simon Esperanza talagang kitang-kita na nag-train talaga siya na maayos talaga. Without those extensive training, you cannot have that kind of body.
One place above Simon Esperanza, the all-around junior national champion.
Wow. Simon Esperanza is one of the best, the future of gymnastics of Italy. I'm very excited for his senior, kanyang senior level.
Exciting to see in action Timofey Kirichenko of Ukraine.
Timothy Kirichenko of Ukraine.
The silver medal on vault at the Pharaohs Cup in the beautiful city of Cairo earlier this year. He's also been European Youth Olympic Festival medalist on rings.
Nice.
Evan McPhillips of the United Kingdom of Northern Ireland, the reigning European Youth Olympic Festival all-around champion. And he also won a silver medal on vault at the Junior British Championships.
Malakas si McPhillips, Evan. Comment down below kayo kung saan kayo nagagaling.
Champion as well.
From the Philippines, Carl Eldroyulo.
Definite contender in the
okay naman paglalakad niya.
Dynamic young gentleman,
Naka-recover ang paa.
of the Philippines. The Asian Junior Championship silver medalist on vault. That was in June in the Republic of Korea. And he made history for his nation by winning a bronze on floor yesterday. The first artistic gymnastics medal
isang alamat si Carl Eldroyulo. Arseny Dukno
the top qualifier,
of AIM.
The
top qualifier sa vault.
Arseny Dukno. And he, we think, is going to have the highest difficulty score of anyone out there.
Saya may pinakabata sa difficulty dito talaga eh. Pangalawa si Carl Eldro.
Yesterday, finished 4th in 3 finals.
But Eldroyulo will be reducing his difficulty by 0.1
must have been exhausted
in order for
his
him to save his feet
to win that all-around title in spectacular fashion.
At sila dito magagaling eh. Indeed, we have here from Ukraine.
Havlichenko of Ukraine. He'll be the last to perform. Bronze medalist on this apparatus at the European Youth Olympic Festival.
Wow, bronze medalist sa European Youth Olympics.
The year after he won the World Schools title on vault in Manama, Bahrain at the Gymnasiad. Timon, you're going to have your touch warm-up.
They're gonna have si Evan. Ito magaling din to eh. Looks like he looks like Joe Fraser.
Competition about to begin. Warm-ups starting for the first 4.
I love the music ng ano. Sana hindi tayo makaparate sa music. You got here si Simon Esperanza. Ang ganda ng katawan ni Simon Esperanza.
Interesting final.
Very interesting ang katawan niya. Because if you can see the body of
so the top competition, they've made it to the last 8. Let's see who makes it onto the podium. The top performer in qualification.
So dito makikita nyo dito si Simon Esperanza. It's very advantageous for him to have that kind of body. Because if you have that kind of body, you can be very explosive. You can, if you have well-developed muscles, you can take care of your bones for it to be more more safe sa mga landings, sa mga executions. So if you have more developed muscles for the vault, I mean to say that is very advantageous for the vault and also for the floor, and also for the rings also. That's why nakapag-silver talaga si Simon Esperanza sa floor and sa rings din. As a junior, this is a very well-developed body. Si Evan, kamukha niya he looks like Joe Fraser here.
Scott is one of 3 athletes in this final with a 5.2 and a 4.8 degree of difficulty.
Here, one of the best or the highest difficulty is si
So
the
three
aim.
gymnasts.
Arseny Dukno, and second is Carlos Edraliulo. So what will matter now is the executions.
He's one of them, Simone Speranza, will have two
Explosive si
4.8
Simon eh.
degree of difficulty
Wow,
weights.
I believe Simone Esperanza will be doing a double pike somersault.
Is the top qualifier,
Maybe
Arseny
Rochi, he
Dukno,
will be doing a Rochi.
who will, we expect, have
So if they are here junior here, and we believe they will be like will stick more on the executions rather than improving the difficulty, because they are junior, they are not like seniors, they are still developing their prowess, their difficulty.
Something of an advantage.
I think most of them will be doing the double pike. I have seen Simone Esperanza. Merong premonition ng double pike. Comment down below kayo kung saan part ng world kayo naroon, so that we can recognize you all. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hello to the 9 or 11,000 watchers now. So I think they were gonna start now with Evan of the Great Britain.
The men's vault final about to take place. The setting is Manila in the Philippines.
Yeah, and this is Chris RD Gymnastics live from. I'm actually streaming from
who are the future of the sport.
From Dubai.
Sol Scott,
Filipinas here at Casilipes, Zambales. Hello, Mr. Cantaros. Let's
we
go.
Anticipate a triple twisting Yurchenko as his opening vault. It was very elegantly performed in qualification.
Wow, elegantly performed. Very clean.
Well. Worked hard to get it the whole way round.
Yung ito, si Great Britain, yung coach niya is coach din ni Jake Jarman.
18-year-old from Cambridgeshire. Let's have a look at it again.
From Cambridge, wow. That's the best, one of the best school in London. Doon nag-aaral ang mga Royals.
Important that
sa Cambridge.
the whole way around. Don't want the gymnast to be twisting essentially as they come into contact with the mat. He's quite central, takes a little adjustment.
Low difficulty pero malinis. Buff na buff si coach. Same sila ng gym ng coach ni Jake Jarman. I'm glad that our Carl Aliu got bronze in the floor. Yes, Canteros. Maybe in the future he'll follow his kuya's same apparatus. Indeed. So, ano lang talaga sila? They are, Carl is developing his prowess. And it will, ang kailangan maaral talaga ni Carl yung maalagaan yung paa niya.
Jake Jarman, obviously the most notable name.
Yes, he is itong coach na to ni Evan, yan yung coach ni Jake Jarman.
Sol Scott, by the way, had a
si Jake Jarman, happy Noy, cheering for another medal for Carl. Indeed. Pero wag tayo masyadong aasa ha. Wow, 14.3. Wag tayo masyadong aasa sa medal ni Carl. Yes, I'm cheering, pero wala masyadong pressure kasi may injury kasi siya sa ankle. So, I hope na magawa niya na maayos. We are praying for it, pero no pressure. Kasi may injury siya sa ankle eh. Basta maging safe lang siya. Kala ko tatay ni Jake yan. Yan ang coach ni Jake Jarman. Kahinaan ata ni Julius ang ring apparatus. Yes, tama ka, sir. Wow, great job, Sol Scott. Kitang-kita nyo naman, very basic, pero malinis. At ang coach na pareho ni coach Jake Jarman. Yan ang coach ni Jake Jarman din. Si Ginoong. I don't know his name. Pero yan ang coach ni Jake Jarman. So, pareho lang sila ng tatay ng coach si Jake. So, kaya malinis din ang at magaling siya mag-train. Na-train niya si Jake Jarman na magkaroon ng magandang vault. And we are counting for Evan in the future na mas gagaling pa sa vault. I think double twisting. Sukahara double twisting
version.
Yes.
And to get 4 extra tenths.
Great job, great job.
And that's what might separate him from Arseny Dukno, who has already got that extra half twist of the body. But But that's going to be a very
Pero magandang
hefty score
manood
for
ng mga
Scott.
junior kasi you can see the future of the gymnastics. Although si Jake hindi siya lumaban sa junior, sa world. So get 14.066 average.
13.833 for the second vault.
So
he is
dapat
the
tumaas
pace
ang
setter.
So ang score ni
Overall, it's a drop
ang
of
kailangan
not quite
ni
110
Eldrew is may
from
stick and
qualifications.
landing.
That's an excellent
Ito si
display.
Simon Esperanza, I can tell to you he's very strong. You can see here upon his body. That is a body in which is very advantageous
This
for
is
vault
going to be
and
a
floor.
fairly common combination
Like
that we'll
the
see,
body of
starting
Carlos
with Simon Esperanza,
Elredulo when
the
he was
1.5
starting.
twisting Casamatsu and the Roche.
And he's very determined.
And Speranza will, we think, start with the Casamatsu vault. As will his teammate. Let's see, though.
Wonderful,
Indeed he does.
Esperanza.
He's a very good gymnast, Simone Esperanza.
Parang
Most
si ano lang.
Elegant performer.
Yes, very elegant performance.
The reigning
Andines.
junior Mediterranean all-around champion. Also the vault champion. Also the virtually everything champion because he just had an outrageously
Wonderful
good
Simon
competition.
Esperanza.
It's a little low as he lands, hops forward.
Na medyo
So,
mababa
some
lang ng
clear
slide, pero carry
Execution
lang.
deductions.
May hop ng slate, I think, mga 0.1 to 0. Medyo mga 0.2 deduction siguro yon yung hop na yon. Great job, Simon. Hindi.
He's a very sporting young man, is Simone Esperanza. He was
Siguro, 3
very
years old pa lang siya
gracious
nag-vault na to. Or 2 years
to,
old
the
nag-gymnastic na si Simon.
of the rings
Kitang-kita sa
competition
katawan. For a
yesterday.
17
He did
years
say
old, this is a
after
very
he wanted to be beaten, he
well-developed
wasn't happy
body.
about being beaten. No unhappiness with the person who beat him.
13.9.
Just a sense from himself that he
9.1
wanted
execution.
a little more.
So, he's sticking with the
13.9 his score.
basics.
And then he
Gigil
said he
si
was
Simon
actually, in contrast, really surprised to take a silver medal on floor. So it was a day that exceeded and came up short of his own expectations, which he was really frank about.
Oh, Rochi, ay,
And the Roche,
sayang.
gosh, does he get some power into
Medyo
that?
na overpower.
That's a very
But
interesting
still
vault.
good.
He's going to lose a fair amount for the landing.
Yes, I think gonna be a
naturally.
0.5
But
deductions
if
for
one
that.
thinks about the overall picture for Simone Esperanza, it's very positive that he's able to get this degree of amplitude because he'll be wanting to add the half twist of the body to make that a Dragulescu for a 5.2 difficulty score. And he looks frankly well on
Thank you
course
very
to
much
do
sa
that.
panunood dito, mga
Right up in the
kabayan.
air. And in doing so, he's really verging on the heavily over-rotated as he comes down. He was the fourth best in qualification. Might find that the execution is a little lower.
Let's have this. Galing ni Simon. One of the best, Simon Esperanza. So 13.6.
13.6. It's a 13.2, 13.3.
Actually,
even,
Simon
I should say, for
Esperanza
the
sticks
second
to the
vault.
basic. Nasa basic lang muna siya as
So,
of now.
indeed,
But you
his
can see him in the
execution
future
score
how
is
he will
Lower,
develop.
8.5, down a third of a mark. from
Ricardo
qualifying.
Ruggieri.
Ricardo Ruggeri of Italy. Third
Ruggeri.
best in qualification.
Ricardo
We
Ruggieri.
expect exactly the same combination
Yeah,
of faults
indeed.
from him as we saw from Simone Esperanza.
He is having a
And indeed, they
4.8
scored
difficulty.
the same in qualification, same average.
Awesome job.
He holds
Malinis
the landing
din.
very nicely. At the start of that vault, the
Very
ideal
basic,
position
very
looked a
clean.
little off. But the end of it was excellent.
Yung katawan din niya is very well developed for that age. Very
From different parts of
advantageous.
the country,
for
Speranza
vault.
Ruggeri. Speranza from the Sicilian southeast coast. and
Great job. Pero may mga
Ruggieri,
counting leg separation akong nakikita
born in,
dito.
the
Ayun, no.
Marche region.
Masyado
in the
mabilis.
east
Pangit
of
yung
Italy,
AI na
centre on the
nagamit.
Adriatic. He's
Yung
a little
quality,
height, isn't
hindi
he, as he
masyadong
sets
maganda.
into that 1.5 twisting Casamatsu.
I can see if there is a leg separation or not, but the judges can. Mas malinaw siguro ang camera nila sa sa Pilipinas.
Should still have a very good execution score because of the landing.
Yeah. So 9 execution score, 13.8.
For execution. It is lower than
awesome job.
qualification.
If 5.3 kasi
too tense.
ang difficulty ni Eldrew, magiging 5.2 ang
Now,
difficulty. He still has a chance
more clarity
pa rin
into
for
his
medal.
Roche.
I'm not expecting for gold, but
This was the weaker vault.
we just pray for
by
safety.
About a third of a mark.
Kasi medyo may ankle problem eh. Wow, Rochi!
Well,
marami na nadidistract siya sa Rochi. Siguro mas kailangan pa lang ibaba yung landing nila ni na Ruggeri. At least 1 steps lang. So same.
Well, the two Italians.
Great job, Simon and Ruggeri.
Compete alongside each other in the final as well. Now it's a rather straddled tuck position.
I think they need to
affect the execution.
they need to more at least they are because they are trying to land with yung kanilang bat is more or the hip should be more upper. Kaya lang medyo mahirap talaga i-stabilize yung Rochi eh.
Might find that he's a little ahead because of the stability of that landing.
Indeed.
$13.666. Riccardo Ruggeri has actually indeed just gone ahead of Simone Speranza by not quite a tenth of a mark.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So Sol Scott still leads. Now we go to Timofey Kirichenko of Ukraine, 7th best in qualification. We think this will be the same combination of vaults as we've just saw from Speranza and Ruggeri.
Yes, 4.8 difficulty.
So it's likely he'll start with the Roche and then perform the 1.5 twisting Casamatsu. He's indicating the Roche on the board.
Roche, that will be the very low score.
To spring back up
kasi napaupo sa mat, and that can be maybe sometimes it can be considered as fall eh kapag napaupo ka sa ganung kababa na mat. So
quick thinking.
Sometimes, yeah, it will be like 1 whole point deductions, or I don't know, but the maximum is 1 whole point. But it's still good.
Let's see what we can infer from here.
The other from the Junior Championship of 2023, we've seen we've seen the Armenian gymnast who's very successful now in the two Armenian gymnasts.
Looks like he just about
who is very successful in the Senior World Championship, and also the Japanese all-around champion there who is very successful now also. So 13.2, 8.4 ang deduction. So almost 0.5 deductions yung pag nakapaupo ka ng ganon.
So he will now, we expect,
Kirichenko, let's go.
1.5 twisting Casamatsu vault.
That's great.
Not the tidiest, but certainly performed.
Still safely performed.
In
Feeling ko say because why they are having this kind of hope, because as you can see there is
and it will get tidier the more that he does it.
May mga tapes sa kanyang ankle, which indicates that there is a pain in the ankle. There are pain in the ankle. Kaya sila nakapa-hook.
A bit of a jarred landing. One of those landings where the ground almost creeps up on
him. Sakit talaga eh, because that is not a spring eh, that is a mat, a foam mat. Masakit talaga yan. Oh my God. Is this a sport that is hurting yourself?
The form is pretty good in the air. Tries to keep
Yeah,
the arms
very
wrapped
great
tight
form
to
in the
body.
air. Yung
All
ano lang talaga yung
full of good
pagland.
promise.
Great job, Ukrainian. Meron din siya medyo counting injury sa kanyang shoulder. 13.4 total score. 13.6 yung second vault niya. 13.2 first vault. So, leading now is 14.066 of Great Britain Scott, yung parehong coach ni Jake Jarman.
Kasamatsu, 1.5 on the Roche. It's Ruggeri who gets the upper hand. And we've got one more of those to come, and that's Valentin Havrulchenko. He'll be the last gymnast to perform. What we're now going to see...
Ay, sayang oh. Huwag naman sana mangyayari yun.
Have a 5.2 and a 4.2.
Si Carl, parang kinakabahan si Carl. Huwag naman, Carl. You are doing great. Syempre, medyo worried siya sa paa niya. That's why, medyo ganun ang kanyang expression. So, iba kasi to world level. Hindi lang mga singkit na nakikita niya. So, he's seeing now here, Western people. It's his first time to compete with the Western. Like, it's his first time to compete with the Great Britain, with the Italians.
Kasamatsu vault named after...
Because Asian, he is used with competing with the Asians, Japanese and Chinese. And they are friends with them. He's friends with them. Kaya competing with the Western people of Ukraine, Great Britain, Russia. This is his first time na in an elite level. Carl Alriulo, first exposure to has an exposure with the elite level in Asian level.
Jorge Roche, Cuban gymnast.
So sana hindi siya maano. Oh, that's great. Oh, he's still feeling the... I think he is still feeling the pain. I hope he is fine.
There is the gentleman who will, we think, have
I hope he will not overthink. I think inaantok si Carl.
Well, a bit of concern there for Alriulo.
Yeah, my concern.
Block. Difficult moment when that happens in the warm-up.
This is my first time. This is my first time to see Carl Alriulo's expressions like that. Kasi mostly of the time I'm seeing him like a jolly guy. Ngayon ko na siya nakita na ganyan, medyo nag-iisip na ganito. Well, all of them Gymnasts are like that. They're very serious during the competition. They don't mind the people around them.
He's under so much pressure. You feel very sorry for him, actually. It's a great privilege to be under pressure, of course. Everyone loves to have the opportunity to be under pressure because it means that you're doing really well. But what comes with it is a lot of expectation, a lot of excitement.
This time, we found the answer.
Merong
and AI merge. Every gap is
siyang
bridged.
Well, we have here Evan McPhillips
dual timeline editing
to start
source and timeline
the men's second rotation.
Features.
The fifth
Filmora gives you the freedom to immerse fully in
the
your
fifth
craft.
to perform.
Wondershare Filmora, powered by AI. Edit as an expert.
Let's go, Evan. That's it. Great job, Evan.
My word, that is a beautiful vault.
Indeed, beautiful vault, Evan.
5.2 difficulty. That's the first double twisting Kasamatsu that we've had the opportunity to see. So unlike the
wonderful stick,
who
this is gonna be tataas ang score ni Evan dito.
There to land facing it. Now he has a bit of imprecision of form in flight, the legs particularly.
Whoa.
Slight
awesome job.
Sense of deviation from the correct form, but the landing certainly will compensate for that in an execution sense. The young man from the foothills of the West Pennine Moors. Born in Bolton. He's
14.3.
14.3.
9.1 execution,
That's 2 tenths up
5.2
from
difficulty,
Really well executed Lopez.
14.3. Yun ang at least
Now, this is
makamit ni Carl
We
Eldrew.
expect a Roche,
14.3
which
at
is
least
a
above
vault that he's ultimately hoping to make a 5.2
para
by
mag-podium
it
siya.
being a Dragulescu.
Kung hindi siya mag-podium, it's fine. Kasi at
That
least
would
may
just
may
be
bronze na
just
sa, may medal na sa
double
floor.
front tuck.
Rochi, great job.
That's just delightful.
Indeed.
Way better than qualification. Definite medal contender.
Wonderful
11
execution.
minutes of Great Britain. He scored 12.933 for that vault in the preliminary round to be the 8th best qualifier. There is no way he's scoring 12.933 for it here.
That's wonderful.
And one of the things that he has demonstrated, and it's a very useful thing for an athlete, is to be better in competition than in the podium training.
That's wonderful
Competition
for
temperament. It's a little straddle,
Mac
isn't it, the
Phillips.
tucked position. And it's just really impressive. He's going to be way up from qualification. It's in the silver medal position.
13.950.
The average,
Both to
that's compared to
13.6.
13.516 in qualification.
Dapat 14 above ang score ni Eldrew. 13.750 score niya nung qualifications. Pero okay lang kahit hindi siya mag-podium dito. 4.8 ang difficulty nga dito eh. So, kailangan maging malinis talaga ang execution.
Medal on floor yesterday. The first from his nation to do that at the
So,
Junior
execution ng
World
Panam ni
Championships.
Eldrew. Huwag na sana madadapa. Let's go, Eldrew.
Lopez.
Yes! That's great job!
Well, that was very well performed. He was
Well performed, Lopez.
indicating that he was going to do a Lopez.
Great job, Eldrew. Kahit merong extra steps, okay lang.
Just about controlled that little back step.
Parallel naman ang ano niya eh.
So
Wonderful, wonderful.
just stabilized it. It was close.
Muntik na. Great job, Eldrew.
Was indicating on the board it was going to be a double twisting Kasamatsu. Clearly performed the 1.5 version, so be a lower difficulty score.
Baka magaya yung sa kuya niya.
5.2 and a 4.8 in qualifying.
Magaya yung sa kuya niya. Biglang dalawang medal. Sana, pero let's not expect ha. Kasi may ano siya, nagbaba siya ng difficulty kasi maraming matataas ang difficulty dito. 13.933. Great job. Medyo mahirap kasi mag-podium yung 4.8 difficulty eh. So ano natin, just hope for safety na ma-execute yun na maigi. Let's go, Eldrew. Come on. No pressure, but still, let's just enjoy what we are seeing here. I hope okay si Eldrew.
Now the second vault.
4.8 difficulty is still.
Indicated vault is a
Nagbaba siyang difficulty, so kailangan maging safe to.
Away from the table.
Come on! Ay, sayang!
And unfortunately, takes several big paces
Carry lang.
forwards.
It's fine, Eldro. It's fine. Carry lang.
Well, didn't quite happen on this occasion, but that's okay.
That's okay, Eldro.
It's,
So,
good development for
that's
all of
not
these young
contentious
athletes.
for a
And he's
medal, but
already
it's
done
fine.
something
He did
extraordinary,
well.
Quite extraordinary by getting on the podium
Representing the
yesterday in the floor
Philippines.
competition. He's going to have another opportunity
Yeah, meron pang
Later on.
susunod.
when he takes to the
1, 2. Medyo big steps yon, mga
And he obviously
0.5
made the decision
deductions.
to go for the 1.5 twisting
0.5 to
Casamatsu
0.6
rather than the
deduction
Lopez,
siguro.
but he'd indicated
Pero sa air, okay.
Because
Maganda ang
the-
kanyang twisting.
difficulty.
Medyo mahirap nang i-ano yun eh.
In qualification.
Maging medal.
And if that was a spur of the moment decision, that's a very clever decision and a very sensible one from
But he is
a young
good.
gymnast, because you should never perform something that you're not feeling comfortable to perform.
In the future, he will be more great. .716.
13.716. He's into the bronze medal position.
So, ang ano lang, ang sigurado dito na mag-medal,
Indeed, he was virtually the same
Mas wala
as
pa.
the qualification
kung magkakamali
score
ang mga
for
tatlo,
Europe,
yun ang pag-asa ni Eldrew. Pero pag hindi sila magkamali,
even though it was 4/10 lower in
Then,
difficulty. This is the gymnast
okay
that we
lang.
anticipate.
hindi pa. Kasi tatlo pa ano eh.
Should be
Dalawa pa eh.
Casamatsu.
So kung magkamali ang dalawa, yun lang ang
Triple twisting
pag-asa. Pag hindi magkamali,
Indeed it was.
it was good.
Little low
Hindi
as
pa
he
naman.
landed, quite piked. Definite penalty attempt to come off the score.
Kaunti lang pagkakamali yun ni Arsene. Kung magkakamali si Arsene ng bonggang-bongga, yun ang pag-asa ni Eldrew na kumapit ulit sa third.
Advantage.
Pero at kung magkamali yung pang-walo na bongga, yun
A
lang.
little bit of the feature of
Pero mahirap ano eh. Kasi
this young
14.2
athlete's
siguro magiging
apparatus finals, coming in with
14.1 lang siguro to or 14.0.
the rest of the pack, and maybe just losing a bit of that difficulty in terms of
Little a bit lang
the
eh.
execution, or losing that difficulty cushion with the execution.
Ang tatapa ng mukha ng mga Russian, parang hindi nag-smile.
Nonetheless, it's extraordinarily impressive, I should say, that a 17-year-old can be performing gymnastics of that complexity.
Tatanggalin na Arsene, habat ng bata pa siya. He can do he can deliver 5.2 executions na. Gifted child to si Arsene eh. Arsene Dukhno of Ain Russia. .14.1 as of now. It's a good thing for him whether he win or lose because he'll again expose and
to go into
experience.
the lead, but it could be very
Indeed,
tight.
it's a good thing
Scott,
kahit hindi siya mag-medal dito sa
14.066 averages the leader. This is where we think
sa
that
vault.
Arsene
Okay lang,
Ducro
at least nakapag-exposure
is
sa.
going to have
It's a great
a
experience.
4/10
5.2 ulit difficulty,
advantage over
OMG.
Scott in difficulty.
Gold for Arsene
Well, that's
Dukhno.
into the lead.
This is gold
No
for Arsene
question.
Dukhno of Ain Russia. Big congratulations, Ain Dukhno. Gold na to. Wala na tong ano. So bababa si Carl Eldrew Yulo ng 4th place.
Great hold. That's a lot more central. There was quite a bit of sideways drift on the previous vault. High quality. Great stability.
Congratulations in Russia for the gold. So si Carl Eldrew Yulo bababa siya ng 4th. Ang galing oh.
He said in an interview that he spends 9 hours a day in the gym.
Wow, 9 hours a day in the gym.
He's gone into the
14.333.
lead and he's going to be very hard to displace.
Indeed.
14.333. And what he gets is the stick bonus for that second vault. 14.566.
Very awesome.
Beautiful. The triple twisting Yurchenko really is the one that won it.
Ukraine got 30. Sayang.
Now we go to
Bronze sana si Eldro.
Ukraine. He's a very good vaulter. Whether he has the difficulty to get onto the podium, that at this stage of his career might be a little tricky.
Let's go Ukraine.
We suspect
Havrilenchenko.
4/10 shy compared to McPhillips.
Ay, sayang!
And unfortunately, he was
Unfortunately.
very low with the Roche. Shake of the head. Powerful though, isn't he?
Powerful indeed. Sayang, napaupo siya. Medyo hindi wala din sa center yung kanyang somersaults in tuck position. Nag-deviate siya, oh. Napaupo siya eh. So, ganun mga medyo problema sa Rochi is either mapaupo ka or mapa-overpower. So, ganun. Big congrats to Carl Eldro. He gonna be in the 4th position with that, because that will be a significant deductions din eh. Sayang bronze sana si Eldro. Pero, carry lang. Walang problema. At least the Philippines has one medal in the Junior World Championship. This is amazing.
School's title on vault last year. Brilliant display in Manama in Bahrain to win the Gymnasiad. And he's been performing well this year on vault. European Youth Olympic Festival bronze medalist. And won the title at the Pharaohs Cup in Egypt. He's a good all-arounder as well, by the way. Silver medalist at the Junior National Championships last year.
Ito yung mga, ang cute, ang mga Pilipino lang, nagkapakute si Kuya. Anyways, ito naman ang ating second vault of Ukraine. Valentin Havrilenchenko. Yeah, because of that, napapaupo siya eh. Significant deductions yun.
Likely to be 1.5 twisting Kasamatsu vault.
It's wonderful.
How nice was that? Valentin Havrilenchenko.
That's a great job,
Lovely that he
Valentin.
gets to conclude with that degree of quality. Well, I told you what a powerful and impressive vaulter he is.
Indeed, powerful
Showed
and
real
impressive.
character as
Yun
well
natin,
to perform that
kapakita ko
after
dun
being
eh.
so obviously disappointed with how the Roche went.
This time, we found the answer. When creativity and AI merge, every gap is gracefully bridged.
Filmora daw to eh. Actually, I'm using also Filmora. Kaya lang medyo mahirap gamitin. Tsaka ang mahal. The twisting is nice. Maganda rin ang ito si... Yan, awesome job. He did well. So, Eldriulo on the 4th position sa vault. Parang, parang lang siyang Olympics.
As things stand,
Na 4th place si Carlos Yulo ng Olympics ng 2020. 4th place naman si Eldriulo ngayon. So, pareho lang. Repeat of the brothers' history lang.
Valentin Havrilenchenko.
Valentin in the 4th, 7th place.
5.49, but what a nice score for the second vault. 14.1.
Wow, 14.166. Ang taas ang second vault niya.
Kasamatsu
So,
1.5.
si
A sense of what might have been
Havrilenchenko,
there for the
maan
young
natin
man,
to
but
eh.
Great potential.
Great potential sa senior to. Big congratulations to all of you. So the classified results for the Vault Finals, Eldro Yulo on the 4th place. Gold si Ain, Rasya, Dukno, Arseni. 3rd place si Mac Phillips, Evan, at Great Britain din si Scott, na pareho na lang
Waiting for the classified
coach, ang coach Jake Charman. So big congratulations to
Yes,
all of
the
you
champion.
boys. Wonderful and great job. Big congratulations to Kyle Eldruyulo on
The gold
finishing on
medal
the
for
4th
Arseni
place. He
Dukno
really did well.
at these Junior World Championships. An excellent result for the British gymnasts.
Nag-overthink din si Kyle Eldruyulo. Masakit din talaga eh.
That extra difficulty that Dukno had was crucial.
Yeah. Congrats kay Carl lang ang Asian na final. Indeed, si Carl lang dito ang Asian na finalist. All of them are European. So Carl Yulo against the European. Imagine mo, Ukraine, Italia, the Great Britain in the in Russia. Yes, congrats, Carl Eldruyulo, the only Southeast Asian and the only Asian in the vault finals here. So that's and finishing on the 4th place. So that is already, and beating the Italians, beating the Ukrainians. Wow, that is already a big achievement. Mac Phillips pala. That's wonderful for Mac Phillips. Whoa, for Evan, great job having this kind of difficulty and execution for that age. Now we have here Sol Scott of Great Britain, who finishes on the silver medal position. Wonderfully done. Great Britain must be very happy kasi dalawang medal eh sa World Junior on the vault. Si Arseni Dukno ng AIN Russia. Wonderful Arseni. Stick to the floor eh. That's his 2nd vault. And this is the 1st vault. No, that's same vault. Inano lang. With a different angle. That's the 2nd vault of AIN Russia. Arseni Dukno. Ang beses inulit-ulit yung ano eh. Yung na-stick sa floor. Big congratulations to Arseni Dukno. So, thank you very much for... Now we will be... Phillips
from Great Britain wins the bronze medal.
Smile, Evan. Ang galing ng ano ng coach ni Jake Charman kasi meron din silang ano sa junior. May medal agad sa World Junior Championship. Same coach with Jake. Arseni Dukno of AIN Russia.
Second gold medal at these championships for Arseni Dukno.
Great job, Arseni Dukno.
Fabulous 2nd vault. The triple twisting Yurchenko secured him the title.
FIG Executive Committee member. The silver medal is presented by Steve Butcher, FIG Men's Technical Committee member. The bronze medal is presented by Rowena Yusuya, Secretary General, Gymnastic Association of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and direct your...
This is the 2nd gold of Arseni Dukno. Gold sa all around and gold sa vault. ano natin yung, kasi baka makapiright tayo. Siyempre, medyo may kurot ng if I will be in the place of Arsene Duque, no? Medyo may kurot to sa akin kasi the national anthem is not the national anthem of my country. I even don't know this national anthem. Alright.
Athletes can now get together for a photo opportunity.
And there they are, the medalists in the men's vault competition.
Arsene Duque, Saul Scott, Evan Phillips, Saul Scott, the colored one, and Evan McPhillips, the white one.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the men's vault final award ceremony.